I mean, you do want hot glue to be hot.
Yes.
You just don't want hot glue on your fingers.
No. Oh, have you done the same?
Gotta wait for the glue to dry, or this could be fun A&E on Christmas.
It's one way to have a wax.
I wouldn't put it past us. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Christmas with Mr. Carrington. I'm joined by a special guest.
Hello.
Luke's here and we are going to be making some Christmas jumpers.
I'm so excited.
Or ugly sweaters.
I mean,
we'll see how they go.
Yeah.
We haven't really got a plan, so this is very much a make it up as you go along kind of DIY. If you want to join in from where you're watching from, grab an old sweater. These just came from trade, £2 each in the sale.
Brilliant.
Anything you've got lying around. Grab some festive bits and bobs. Grab the glue gun, get it fired up.
Hello.
Sip the old Baileys and we're off.
I think we're good.
So before we get into the video, if you're new here, do click subscribe and afterwards head over to Luke's channel where we're going to be making a festive Yule log.
Honestly, I'm very excited.
We'll just get cracking, shall we?
I'm ready. Are you?
Yeah,
I feel like a
gun's
child.
ready.
For those of you who saw the video last time where I had Ewan's glue gun, he's upgraded.
I have. And these are from Lidl, £7.99, and we have two.
I honestly feel very, very privileged.
We'll try them out for the first time.
Excellent.
Right, should we get cracking?
Let's get cracking.
Right, what are you doing?
Do you know what I was just about to say? So I have a very nice blue number. I'm not going to pick it up to show the camera because I've currently got everything laid out. But quick overview. I cut these off of a garland Ewan had and they're just some stencil snowflakes. And then these were from Poundland and they're just some nice fluffy cotton ball things. Really, really nice. They've got like a nice sparkle to them. I took a piece of Ewan's fir tree that he has now.
Just wired.
Use that as a neckline.
Yeah.
And then we have some battery operated lights that I'm also gonna essentially cut through the jumper and have them poke through the snowflakes.
Nice.
That's it.
And I'm going to attempt to make a Christmas tree with some of these.
Brilliant idea.
We'll just start gluing.
Oh, do you mean as in cut them into different lengths?
Yeah, so I'm going to just stagger the... Yeah.
Brilliant.
Make it up as we go along.
Are we
Festive
ready?
scissors.
At the ready. Let's get involved.
Let's go.
I'm so excited.
I should have bought pliers.
Oh yeah.
I really should have, look.
Oh god.
I might just have to bend these.
We'll
just bend them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's what I say. I may have some pliers in my tool bag. I own a tool bag.
Wow.
Aren't I good?
I'm impressed.
I know. Just successfully used a glue gun and didn't lose my identity on my fingers.
Oh, well done.
Yet.
The last time we did a DIY together, Luke did burn his finger.
Oh my god.
Have you just done it?
Yeah.
How have you managed that?
It's gone through the this. I think I might have just put it in my hair. Okay, we're good. We're good. Do you know what, guys? We are risking life and limb in the.
As always.
The Corp of Christmas spirit.
That's it.
How are you getting on?
All right.
Good.
I think.
Ah.
I might just start gluing, you know.
Are you just going to get involved?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I went in there because the excitement of using a new glue gun was rather thrilling.
It's good that we've got one each, actually.
Do you know what I was about to say? Not that we don't like sharing.
No, sharing's caring.
Is it a good idea to leave this to like set for a second or two?
No, it's straight on.
Okay.
Yeah, because if it dries, then...
Oh, it loses its stickiness.
That's it,
I see. Well, I already like the way this is turning out. I'm not gonna lie.
We're off to a good start.
Yeah. I think yours is going to look brilliant. We've gone for colours that I think contrast really well, like green and red's like a classic, and white and blue I think is a classic as well. Oh, I see what you're doing.
I'm just going to start with like a triangle.
So I thought you were going to go like lines.
I am.
Oh, have you done the same? They get really hot, right?
They certainly do.
Ooh.
Okay. I mean, you do want hot glue to be hot.
Yes.
You just don't want hot glue on your fingers.
No.
So let us know in the comments, have you been DIYing? Have you made anything? Have you had a go at any of the wreaths?
Oh yeah.
I've been loving seeing all the pictures on Instagram. The pom-pom wreath in particular. I don't think anyone's made, although at the time of filming this, maybe since then, a bauble wreath. I don't think people were that inspired by
Do you know what?
the bauble wreath.
If I could have recorded my reaction to watching that video, I felt your pain.
Yeah.
But then I also just thought, what a trooper. Because at the point where you said, I don't think we've ever been able to do this before,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to start again. I
Yeah.
just thought, how is he that positive? I'd have cried.
Yeah, it wasn't fun.
No.
I'll be honest with you.
But
But
for
hey ho.
the sake of Christmas spirit, you did it.
That's it.
Wonderful.
So, where are we going to wear our jumpers to?
Oh.
Do you think these would be good for ice skating?
Oh,
or
do you know
maybe...
what? We should actually do that, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm there now. I feel like I've done Speedy Gonzales. I hope that they stick on.
Steady on.
But I've done 3 snowflakes, and the pom-poms are snowflakes also.
I'm using the back of the scissors to push on the... where it's like coming through so I don't burn myself.
Oh, that's really clever.
Well, I'd say you live and learn, but I keep continuing to burn myself with these things, so...
I'm being very liberal with the glue. I'm very sorry.
Wow. Now be careful now.
Yeah, no. I just don't want this to ping off when I'm wearing it.
Yeah.
Right, here we go. So this is going to be the neckline to my sweater. I might have to trim the end of it if I can. You just said it's a little bit... Oh, Christ. Oh no! Christmas disaster!
We're going to have to go quick, mate, because that glue's going to dry.
Oh,
no pressure.
Right, we'll trim afterwards.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. It's really good. Wow.
Yeah.
Little, I'm impressed. I know what I'm doing is currently out of shot. I will show you momentarily. I just don't want this to...
It's essentially one of these around the neckline. Is that right?
You say it so much easier than I do. I'm sticking a bit of tree around my neck.
That's the one.
That's the badger. Oh, this looks so good.
Yeah, maybe it just needs one more.
I was about to say, I think you're good. I think you're good.
Less is more, people. Less is more.
Are you going to stick the...
The lights.
Yeah.
Alrighty, time to add some lights.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Come on in.
We've got our skewers.
Yeah, this is a really good idea. So we were going to use scissors, but they weren't really nipping the material. Then I suggested a knife, but then the DIY expert suggested a skewer.
It's probably not going to work.
No. It actually
we shall find out.
It does.
So we're going to thread in some of these.
Just about to say it. I'm going to wrap it up, feed it through the sleeve.
Ooh, I like your thinking.
And then it'll be essentially where you can have it, or, as you said, put it in your back pocket. In fact, actually, no, back pocket's probably a better idea, like a microphone.
Yeah, I'm going to pop mine round the back.
Hello.
Hello, right.
And you've got a good idea. So start up the top, so then the cable ends
at the bottom.
bottom. Ah. Oh, no, is that your finger?
Sort of. Yeah.
Sort
I'm
of.
not sure if,
Sort of, yeah. I feel like yours is a bit more difficult to get through than mine.
I think it depends what the knit of the jumper is, doesn't it? You'd be alright if it was just like a knitted, that's better.
Yeah.
So my lights have got little things on them, so what I'm doing is pushing the actual light string through, and then I'm going to reattach these.
Good idea.
If that makes any sense at all.
Does indeed. Lovely stuff.
Lights are in.
I honestly think yours looks incredible.
Do you think some poinsettias?
Why not?
Yeah.
The more, the merrier.
Alright, you can give me a hand if you like.
Oh yes, absolutely.
While you're there, Luke's finished already.
I mean, I've gone for minimal and a lot of glue. Oh, I see what you're doing there. So you're going on the...
I'm going kind of on the petals, because I think
I need some more glue, as you said. So you just feed it through, is it? Oh, perfect, okay.
Yeah. And then I think I'm literally just going to put the pom-pom on the top.
Oh, top the tree! Top the tree!
What do you put on top of your Christmas tree?
I was just about to ask that.
What do you?
We're traditional and we just do a star.
Yeah.
Growing up, I made Mum this angel that was absolutely horrendous, but she loved it.
It's made out of a toilet roll tube.
A toilet roll tube and a doily.
Yes.
And every year, as I grew up, I'd be like, oh God, here it comes. It looked demonic. It was horrible.
Is it still around?
Still around.
Oh.
Still tops our tree at home. But no, we just do
you
a
have
star.
to get that up on the gram.
God, yeah. I'll try
I
and
look
find
forward
it.
to the story. Right, so we're going to top the tree with a pom-pom.
What do you do for your tree topper?
Do you know what? I don't always put something on the
No,
top.
no, less is more.
Sometimes I just tie a bit of a ribbon around it, or...
Yeah, that's a good shout.
I don't think I've got a proper topper.
No, less, just like the whole tree is the feature.
That's it.
That looks amazing.
Hey.
I think it looks fantastic, mate.
Right, should we get them on?
Yeah, that's a good shout. Next clip, you'll see us feeling very festive.
We better wait for the glue to dry, or this could be fun A&E on Christmas.
It's one way to have a wax.
I wouldn't put it past us.
Oh, yeah. Brilliant.
Imagine. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we reckon?
Oh my! They
we like
it on camera. I'm obsessed.
I think yours is very good.
You smashed
very
it.
snowy.
The poinsettias.
I'm feeling festive now.
Yes. Yeah. Sorry if this has annoyed anyone in the audio.
Right, can we have a countdown,
Are you
please?
ready? Drum roll, please.
After three. Three, two.
Oh no!
one.
Wait! Don't do that again. I turned it on by accident. That was premature. Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
Christmas has arrived. We're feeling festive.
That took what, like an hour? Genius.
Ugly sweater or fabulous Christmas jumper. Let us know in the comments. Let us know what you think of them.
Amazing.
Quite pleased with that.
Me too. And do you know what? This isn't irritating me. I thought
Options
it
are a
would,
bit.
but-
They are. They're kind of like.
I'm just getting a bit of wire rash, but it's okay. We're good. We're good.
So let us know what you think of our Christmas jumpers, ugly sweaters in the comments down below. And we're off to make some Christmas Yule log.
I'm very excited. Bring on the cake.
Oh yes. Well, we've got a bit of room now for the buffet.
We do.
These do expand, thankfully,
Pending.
so we should be alright. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and head over to Luke's channel now. We're going to be doing some baking.
Yes! Amazing.
Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Merry Christmas.
So before we get into the video, if you're new here, do click subscribe, and afterwards.
That's alright. No,
what are we doing over on yours?
I don't know what we're doing on mine.
This is
This is
the
gonna
making
be
one.
with-
So this
is my stocking.
Yeah.